to find the geometric mean between 4 and 16. By illustration, this will be 4 blank 16. Let's identify the given. A sub 1 is 4, A sub n is 16. There will be 3 terms in this sequence. R is still missing. Let's solve for the common ratio. This is the formula in solving for the common ratio. Let's substitute the given. So we will have 3 minus 1. And we will have 16 over 4. Simplifying, we will have the index of 2 and the radicand 4. If the index is an even number, there will be 2 possible answers. If the index is an odd number, then there will be only 1 possible answer. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Now let's go back. Our index here is 2. This is an even number. So by simplifying, we will have positive, negative 2. There will be 2 possible answers. We write it as R is equal to positive 2 and negative 2. By illustration, again, let's go back. 4 blank 16. Now let's do some checking. If R is positive 2, we will have 4 times 2. The first term is 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And we got the correct third term. So positive 2 is definitely a possible answer or can be our common ratio. If we will have negative 2, 4 times negative 2 will give us negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2 will give us positive 16. We still have the correct third term, that is 16. Therefore, we can say that we have 2 answers. We have m sub 1 is equal to negative 8, and m sub 1 can be positive 8. We are to find the geometric mean between negative 12 and negative 108. In illustration, this will be negative 12 blank negative 108. The given. Our first term is negative 12. Our a sub n is negative 108. There will be 3 terms in this given. R is still missing. Again, this is the formula in getting the common ratio in the geometric sequence. Let's simplify, Let's substitute the given on the equation, on the formula. The index here is 3 minus 1 from our n. Negative 108 over negative 12. Let us simplify. The index here will be 2 because of 3 minus 1. Negative 108 divided by negative 12 will give us the radicand 9. Since the index is 2, this is an even number, so there will be 2 possible answers. The index is an even number. Then by simplifying, by answering, we will have R is equal to positive 3 and negative 3. Let's do the checking. Again, we have negative 12 blank negative 108. Let's start with positive 3. Positive 3 multiplied to the first term, negative 12, will give us negative 36. Negative 36 times 3, our ratio, will lead us to negative 108. And this is still correct since our third term in the given is negative 108. Now let's do the same with when r is negative 3. Negative 12 times negative 3 will give us 36. Positive 36 times negative 3 will give us negative 108. This is still correct since we still got the third term that is negative 108. Therefore, we say that the answer will be the sequence will be negative 12, negative 36, negative 108, and negative 12, 36, and negative 108. Our mean here, or m sub 1, will be 3 and positive 3. Insert or find the two geometric means between 3 and 192. In illustration, we have 3 blank blank 192. In this item, after solving, you need to identify the second mean, or m sub 2. Let us first identify the given. Our a sub 1, or the first term, is 3. Our a sub n is 192. There are 4 terms in this given. Ratio is still missing. This is our formula in getting the value of ratio. Let's substitute. 4 minus 1 for our index. 192 over 3. Let us simplify. The index here will be 4. From 4 minus 1 is 3. 192 divided by 3 will give us 64. Since the index is an odd number, that is 3, then there will be only one answer in this problem. By simplifying, we will have r is equal to positive or negative 4. Or, since there will only be one answer. Again, by illustration, we will have 3 blank blank 192. Now, let's do the checking. So, let's do the checking. If r is positive 4, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 4 is positive 48. 4 times 48 is 192. So, we got here the fourth term, that is 192. Now, let's do the checking if r is negative 4. Positive 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 4 is positive 48. Positive 48 times negative 4 will give us negative 192. This is not our given on the fourth term, so definitely r is not equal to negative 4. Therefore, we will have 3, 12, 48, and 92. M sub 1